What is innovation? Innovation is the crucial foundation for GREE's dominance in the industry. Upon entering the 21st century, GREE realized the importance of product innovation, relying more on technological advancements. After years of this commitment to innovation, GREE has accumulated numerous technological achievements, with offerings in the commercial air conditioning market and the residential market. As of 2023, GREE possesses 44 world-leading technologies and has won a staggering number of international awards. GREE has also been named the #1 brand of air conditioners in the world for the past 8 years, as certified by Euromonitor International. With a total of 76 production bases worldwide, GREE's products are widely sold in over 190 countries and regions, serving over 500 million global end users. GREE has evolved from a company that assembles only residential air conditioners to a diversified and innovative group. Innovation has helped GREE solidify its position in the world, leading the development and revision of over 50 international standards, all while continuing to actively promote the advancement of intelligent manufacturing. Innovation continues to be at the core of every GREE development. In this era of intelligence and globalization, GREE strides forward, always.